If you are looking forward to get monetized in the year 2026, this video is for you. Do not skip any parts because I'm actually going to take us along how I'm going to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. I know this is the sweetest part of YouTube, you applying for the YPP, because you get to make money. This video is going to be like an energy booster for you if you are not yet monetized and you are trusting to get monetized very soon. I remember when I saw this video of Prince Asiama telling us, showing us actually how he applied for the YPP, and I also saw Glory C. She showed us how she applied for YPP right on camera. I was so encouraged, and at that time I was at 3 subscribers. I wasn't even up to 1,000 subscribers. Talk more of having my watch hours complete. So literally I was still at the 0 level, but here am I today applying for YPP, and I want to carry guys along, and I really want to appreciate you guys for the support, for the encouragement, for the engagement on my channel. Thank you so much. I wouldn't have done this without you guys, and you guys mean a lot to me. I want to encourage us small YouTuber. If you know you're not yet monetized and you're trusting to get monetized very soon, I want us to drop in the comment section the current watch hours you have and your niche, so that you guys can connect in the comment section. By doing this, you're going to also get more subscribers and people will get to watch your videos. So please do well to engage in the comment section. Now, without much being said, let's head straight into the main reason why I am making this video. I'm going to be taking you guys along step by step. So when I saw this become a YouTube partner on my YouTube studio, I was very happy. So now let's get right into it, even though I'm still going to explain some things in my next video, because when I got to 3,000 watch hours, I did not apply immediately due to some reasons, due to some violation which I have on my channel. I did not apply because I was actually scared. But now, don't worry, I'm going to explain that in my next video. The main reason why I'm making this video is to apply. Okay, it says become a YouTube partner. So I'm just going to click on apply now. I'm going to bring you to this interface where you're going to see review based term, you're going to see sign up for AdSense YouTube, and then you're going to see get review. So the first thing to do is to review base term. Now, if you're watching this video, please do well to watch to the very end, because this is how it feels to apply for monetization, and I know definitely you're going to be there very, very soon. So now let's click on the first one, start base review. So it is going to bring all these terms and conditions. So let's do well to read, because I know we Nigerians especially, we don't like reading. Okay, so I'm just going to read through and see what it has to say. The payment account requirements, payments process, change to the terms, suspending and termination of blah 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 miscellaneous. So I'm just going to click on I accept the base term, and then it is going to load. This takes no time, I think. So now you can see it as ticked green. So the next thing is to sign up for AdSense for YouTube. This is where we're going to create an account. So I'm going to say I'm going to click on no, I need to create one, because I actually don't have an AdSense account. So now it is going to direct me to AdSense itself. So I'm just going to use my Gmail account, and it brings me to this interface where you have to choose your country. It has chosen my country already, and then you read through the terms and conditions also, and then you click on I have read and accept the agreement, and then you set up the account. Now, I was so surprised that it brought my information. Like, I didn't have to type my name, everything. It's brought out my information, my full name, everything in check. So the only thing I did was just to add my my address. So I'm just going to add my address, and then the postal code. They made a space. If you don't know your postal code of the state you stay, you're just going to click on it, and then you're going to see several states and their postal codes. So I'm just going to look for mine, and then I'm going to attach it there. I think this is where Google is actually going to send you your PIN, the address where you put. So you need to put the correct address. So after I submitted, it is going to redirect me to YouTube. Now we are reviewing your information. Now I'm just going to click on redirect to YouTube, and it is going to take me to my YouTube studio. So let's continue to studio. Okay, I'm just going to click on continue to studio, and now it is here. This thing is supposed to be saying, it's supposed to say it has, it has been approved, but it is still showing stars. So I have to click on it to check and reconfirm. Go to AdSense, or go to Chrome or Safari, click on AdSense, then it is going to bring you to Google AdSense. Then while you click on it, you're going to sign up and add your details. So I'm just going to put my password to see. It is verifying if it is me. Definitely it is me. Okay, so let's wait for it to load. And oh yeah, my AdSense account has been created. As you can see, your earnings are still 0 because I'm still a newbie. All right, so now the AdSense account has been completed. Now I'm just going to refresh my YouTube studio to see, because it's supposed to show this mark here. So let me click on it to see again, because it's still showing start. Yes, I have an existing AdSense for YouTube or AdSense account. So let's see if it has been actually created or if it has been linked to YouTube. So I'm just going to verify my Gmail again, and let's see what it is going to bring here. Now these are my details. So my AdSense has actually been linked to my YouTube studio. So let me just go back to my YouTube studio to refresh and see, because it's supposed to show tick. Okay, it is still showing stats. I don't know what's going on. Okay, you can see it is still showing stats. So I'm just going to refresh. Now you can see it has shown the tick. That means the second one has been done. Now you're going to see that the third one, which is get reviewed, is in progress. Now this is how it is done. Once you've completed the first and the second stage, the third one will automatically start by itself. That means that is where YouTube is actually going to review your channel and the likes. Yeah, now in my next video I'm going to be explaining everything you need to do before you click on this apply. It is very crucial so that you don't get rejected. I had my reasons why I did not apply at 3,000 watch hours when YouTube actually told me to apply, but I did not apply, even though I was feeling anxious to actually apply. But no, I didn't apply. And in my next video I'm going to be explaining to you how you can go about that. Oh my god, you're welcome to YouTube Partner Program. Daily Tips, congratulations, you've been accepted. This is the kind of message that every YouTuber here wants to see, and I have seen mine, and hopefully you're going to see yours very soon. Because tell me, YouTube money is actually very sweet. I'm so excited for this journey, because I remember when I started my journey, like I said, as at August, I didn't even know what to start posting on this particular channel, but oh my god, no, I'm just so happy. And I pray that you're going to see yours very soon. Let's just go on to activate the benefits that YouTube have actually given to my channel. So I'm just going to read through, and then yeah. So I have the membership, super. These are the two something that has been activated on my channel, because I've not gotten to 4,000 watch hours currently. So the watch ad and the short feed has not been turned on. So it is just these two, but nonetheless, let's just go through it and see how it is. So it says, for me to be able to activate that super chat, I have to add my tax info. So I'm just going to go back to AdSense and then read through it to see how I'll be able to put my tax information on my AdSense account, because I think this is very important. So I'm just going to read through it and see. Okay, confirm your personal information, verify your address, select form of payment, blah 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 blah, and the likes. So now this is the main thing. I just added all my informations, my name, if it is individual, it is actually individual, and if I'm a US citizen, no. So, and then after I did everything, I'm just going to click on submit. Now I'm going to make a separate video for this, because if I should explain everything in this video is going to be too lengthy. So I'm just showing you a glimpse of how it is. I'm still going to bring the full video on this channel very soon. So I'm just going to click next. This go paperless is actually recommended. I think if Google wants to send your PIN, I think so. Okay, now let's get started. Since I've actually added the tax info, we'll just get started and activate this. So you're going to just read the terms and conditions, and yeah, I know Nigerians, we don't like reading terms and conditions. Anyways, I have read and accepted, so I'm just going to click on accept. Now I'm just going to come to this place. You can see the super chat, super sticker. Now this one is whenever I go live or whenever someone else go live, you can actually gift to the person. So I'm just going to toggle it on super chat, super sticker, and super thanks. So whenever I'm live now, you can actually gift me if you want to. Yeah. Anyways, let's continue. Okay, so the membership, I think this one is for if you want to make videos for some set of people on your channel, not general anyway, but I'm going to be doing this one later. Now remember, I was at 3,900 and something, almost 4,000 watch hours, and the next day I completed my 4,000 watch hours, and I saw this message from YouTube. In fact, YouTube actually sent me a mail to inform me that, babe, you need to click on this thing, you can apply and unlock the full monetization. So let's do it. And on the watch paid. Now this is when I'm going to start earning on paid ads, so please do well to watch whatever ad you see on my videos. Help this baby girl to make money on YouTube. Thank you so much. Now let's just read through and see the agreements, the terms and conditions. Review watch page terms. So I'm just going to read through and accept. Yeah. Okay, so now it's going to bring this one. YouTube automatically selects and plays ads on each of your videos. Okay, so I'm just going to click on show mid-roll ads during my videos. This brings more money too, so I'm just going to click on next. Yeah. Okay, let me read this for you guys. YouTube automatically insert ad slots into the best natural breaking point in videos longer than 8 minutes. So if a video is longer than 8 minutes, there will be more ads. Anyways, so I'm just going to click on okay, monetize all existing videos. I just want to monetize everything, including all the videos which I've made before I got monetized. So I'm just going to click on monetize all. Okay, yeah, so that is for the watch page ads. So let's go to the short feed ads, because definitely you're still going to make money. If you unlock the full monetization, you're still going to make money from short ads. So that is a beautiful one. So let me just go on and turn it on, and then it's going to bring these terms and conditions, and then we still have to read it through and also accept, because if you don't accept, even if YouTube sends you this message that hey, you're supposed to apply, and if you don't apply and you don't accept, the monetization will just be there, you will not make any money. So I'm just definitely going to accept this, and yeah, let's see. Okay, I accept the short fit ad, and yeah, I'm good to go. So I have to start running on my shorts and my long form videos. So remaining these two, membership and player for education, I'm still going to make more research about this. I don't know how to go about that, but the main one, I have actually unlocked it and I have turned it on. So please do well to watch ads on my videos so that this baby girl can make money, please. All right, so and when your videos are featured in classroom. This is another way of earning on YouTube. I've not turned this on. I still want to make research about how this is done. So that is basically it. You can see the $sign on all my videos. Isn't that wonderful? Isn't that sweet? So please, if you're actually feeling discouraged and you're seeing it's like, oh, I'm not doing well, my channel is not getting views, please do not feel discouraged, because I was actually there. I was at 3 subscribers. I'm going to put it somewhere here, 3 subscribers, but look at me now. So please do not feel discouraged. Let this video encourage you and push you towards the YouTube journey. You're definitely going to reap the fruits of your labor. So if you find this video very helpful and encouraging, do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and lastly, do not forget to comment that 2026 is my year and I'm definitely going to get monetized in 2026. So guys, I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.